What's up, family? I'm so happy to announce that the Keith Lorren product line, the Spice King product line, has a brand new facelift for 2019. And all of these beautiful labels are going into all of the big stores this year: Walmart, Food Lion, Kroger's, Big Y, Stop and Shop, Harris Teeter, so many different stores. And if you look here, you can see how beautiful the labels are. This is our gourmet seasoned sea salt. You can see that we harvest salt from Greece. It has 72 trace minerals, and all of my products are enhanced with aromatic essential oils and trace minerals. Look how beautiful these labels are, guys. So head to the grocery store, pick them up. I promise that these will be the best flavors you've ever experienced in your life. These are the flavors: steak and burger, beef stew and oxtail, sea salt, gourmet collard greens, and more, guys. Go to the grocery stores and pick them up, and thank you so much for your support over the years. Shout out to Stanley for the labels.